goodness, Revlon has now become my favorite foundation brand and my second just favorite makeup brand. Their photo ready makeup, their color stay makeup are some of my favorite foundations. This is my absolute favorite foundation ever, and this is a close second, and now this I think is tied with this for my favorite foundation, seriously. So basically what it is, it's like Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush Mousse Makeup, and I thought it was weird because I thought it was going to be like, when I got it, I thought it was like, I basically sprayed it at my face, expecting like it to spray on. It's funny, it comes in like a mousse, like whipped cream or something. Oh my god. Okay, so being the klutz I am, I put on so much. Okay, but what I love about this foundation is that it is so buildable and wearable. So you basically apply it like this, and can you see just that coverage it gets my skin? And it dries really pretty quickly. It produces, look how airbrushed that looks. Can you see that? And then I'll just put on another little bit of it on, and you can just build it up to give you that flawless coverage. Oh my goodness, I'm creating a mess. Kind of build it on to give you that flawless coverage. I'm wearing it now and I love it how you can put on layers. It's just so easy to blend and work with. I feel like with liquid foundations, like pure liquid foundations, it's just very hard to blend and work with sometimes because you're working with a lot of that product and it's kind of like sliding everywhere. But with the mousse, like you just kind of tap it on and just blend it in really quickly, then tap it on, blend it really quickly, and it works really, really well. Do a demo here. Can you guys see this clearly? It's my arm. And it just blends in really well. It gives an airbrush feeling. It's not super glittery, definitely not as glittery as the Revlon Photo Ready foundation that comes in a pump. But this one just gives you that really pretty airbrush look. It's kind of like Sally Hansen's airbrush legs, but comes in a pump like this for your face, which I really like. I really like it again because it works really well. It blends really well. I feel like it blends better than any of the other foundations Revlon has created. It's really, really buildable, which I really like. So I'll just apply a little bit more layers along the places where I have a lot of blemishes instead of wearing a concealer. And it's just so easy to use. I don't think it has SPF in it, which I guess is a negative. And I think another negative is that it's hard to control the amount you get out because, as you just saw, I put on so much of it. There's like flammable hazardous warnings everywhere on the foundation. But other than that, I really, really like it, and I think it's going to be the now foundation I wear in all of my videos now. So basically my makeup routine has been just the Revlon Color Ready Photo Ready primer, and then the Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush foundation. So yeah, so I have the link for the review of this, and thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye my perfect beauties, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My Facebook is Dazers89. My Twitter is Dazers89, and I have a series of giveaways going on now, so please check those out and see if you want to enter. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Stay beautiful.